Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. It's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. I'm calling it TTT. So for today, I wanted to share with you just a nice way. Sometimes our blocks get a little dirty. Our paper snips get sticky. Sometimes we're cutting some dimensionals, and sometimes your scissors get a little goopy. So for my tip today, you guys, it's just these regular alcohol swabs. And you just want to take an alcohol swab, and you want to use this, and this is going to help get all those little goopy things that's on your block. Get your blocks nice and clean. Sometimes you may need to put a little pressure. Now, if you do not have these alcohol swabs, another great thing that you can use is nail varnish remover. So if you like to paint your nails and you have some nail varnish remover, that works well as, you know, too. You'll just take a cotton ball, put your polish on. You can also use rubbing alcohol, which I have some rubbing alcohol here, and this works great as well. And you are going to take your scissors. Now when you do this, you just want to be careful that you don't cut your fingers, because it is possible. And you just want to get in there and give your scissors a nice wipe off. And that's going to take any goobers and glue that you have sitting on there, and it's just going to help your scissors to cut better. Same when you get ink on your ink pad. It's great to take that ink off as well. It also works well for your bone folders, because sometimes these bone folders tend to get a little dirty. And by using this rubbing alcohol or alcohol swab, depending whatever you have, it just cleans it up nicely. Another thing you can do as well is your paper trimmer. And sometimes, like, my paper trimmer is a little dirty, and I can just wipe it. I can get in the track, give that a nice little wipe. You can also do your little blade over here and just wipe that. But just a nice way to clean up your supplies with very minimal effort. So I hope you're going to give this a try in your craft room. Clean up all your supplies that you have. Thank you so much for watching my video today, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you are in the US and you're interested in any of these supplies, I will have them linked down in the description below. I also have a written detailed description over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. Take care.